You okay? You okay?
Well, hi guys, my name's Isha. Today, it's the second snowstorm that's worse.
This is part 2 of Snowstorm.
It's a different one.
Before we started the camera, it was like everything. Before 1 hour ago, I saw something flying.
I know, because snowstorm is badly.
I heard something.
hole was in the
Guys, I also heard something knock, like scram our door.
Okay, maybe it's ghosts. Because
No,
if
it's
it's
no.
Ghosts are fake. Guys, look, that hole was small, now it turned big.
Yeah.
Look. Yeah.
Crazy. It's so crazy, guys.
Guys, also how much foot is it?
You guys saw that?
I don't know if you guys could hear that.
Guys, if you guys are here in Brunswick, grab it. Like something like that.
Well,
Guys,
anyways, guys, if you
It's so bad.
guys, I don't know if you could hear that, but something like, well,
Yeah.
guys, this is our front yard.
And guys,
Look
also,
how-
imagine you're standing outside and you don't care all about snowstorm and you go to snowstorm.
Look how
You'll
big
fly away.
Look
Yeah.
how big is the snow of ours. Guys, for you out there in New Brunswick, especially the poor people, imagine what they're gonna risk.
I know.
And
The kids are
hard time.
poor people.
Yeah, let's just stop talking about this. It made me cry.
Guys, I can't even see nothing.
I cannot.
All I see is
Guys,
foggy.
imagine the snow is coming like this,
Yeah.
and then it's going around our house,
Yeah.
and then it looks like our house is gonna get slapped.
Papa, quiet.
Okay, and guys, I also wanted to tell you guys something that
Yes, listen to me.
if you hear something banging or swinging around, it's just the snow. Like it's
Or the
like
wind.
or the wind.
Well, you don't have to be scared or anything.
Isha has to go take shower.
And then she's gonna brush her hair.
Like a
Yes.
beaver.
Like mine.
A beehive. A-B-I-A.
You guys call me Abiba because that's my other name.
So guys,
So guys, we'll see you in the next part. We'll
So
see you
guys,
in the
I'll
next.
see you in the next part. I hope you like it, comment, and share. Wait for Audrey to come.
Guys, do you see this mark over here?
Yes.
That my sister Zoa did a scratch over here.
It's okay.
Okay, stop.
Look at that guy over there.
I know. You see the noise?
Yeah, I heard it.
It's snowing.